Okay, welcome back. So I have asked myself this question many times. Is oil, crude oil in eastern part of Nigeria, Biafra land, in Igbo land, Kano, is it a curse or a blessing? Oil in our region, is it a curse or a blessing? This is not the first time I'm making this kind of comment because I have asked myself time without number that if not that oil is located in our land, like so many other places though, that the issue of freedom and all that one Nigeria wouldn't have been an issue, you know. But some of us think that is just that I'm just saying. Come to think of it, what do you think that these people are pushing? Nigeria is a country that has fertile land, other source of incomes, of course, like other natural resources. The land is fertile to even venture into agriculture. There are many countries in Europe are feeding on that. Like when it comes to their natural resources, they will tell you is farming. Some country has this land, of course, but they also have other natural resources. When it comes to something like wheat and flour and other things in Ukraine, that is what they're known for. In so many other countries in Europe, have you find out that they have other means of survival, other way to so many ways to grow their GDP and all that. But Nigerians ignore everything. They actually ignore everything about their own lifestyle. In olden days, we have heard about cocoa, cocoa farm and rubber farm and all that in Nigeria. These are something that is enough to build a country to stand without even looking back if they know how to manage or utilize those things. But all you have made many of them to be lazy, very, very lazy. Why am I saying this? Because this recent video of Gowon trending, yesterday I played it on our live broadcast, but I just want to comment on it, in this video. Just want to talk about it here without wasting much time. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. And the best way to let me know or let us know your own take on all those things is you making sure you put your comment so that we can now know that truly this is your own opinion on what you are discussing. I would like to play the video of Gowon and please hear what he said, and from there we can now see how we can talk about it. Just pay attention.
Be independent, he will be financially robust, and then who
knows? Start from the beginning.
I decided that we should not, I should not allow Nigeria to break away. We will not allow any part to succeed.
He said, I decided that we should not allow any country, any part to succeed. That is to be a country of your own. I decided. Again.
Now, of course, Ojukwu wanted, if he succeeded, yes, with the oil, the major oil is in his own part of the country, at that time, is in the eastern part of the country. Yes, in fact, he would be independent, he would be financially robust, and then...
In case if you don't know, he said the major part of the oil would be on his side, in his own side of the country at that time, because it was after the war that they started creating South and all the Southwest and South, all these things, like especially South. It was all called Eastern region. That's why people will tell you should go back to the way it used to be, old Eastern region, because the issue of carving Igbo people to other parts to form another state and creating different states is to create confusion in that region, so that whenever you want to succeed, whenever you want to talk about your freedom, because they know that they're not going to repent anytime soon. That's why they structure that part to be the way it is today. Identity crisis here and there. They just push people, away to achieve their own selfish goal, because they knew they're not going to do something reasonable. The agenda is very simple. That is why they destroyed that old eastern region and started, creating south-south. That when you go to southwest now, you don't have west-west. Do you understand? You don't have north-north. What they have is south and south-south. Do you understand? Which is wrong. When people talk about this issue of south-south, many people don't understand it. That is actually a deliberate attack on Igbo people. During the war and before the war, it is called Eastern Region. So he said, because the man is still alive, he said the oil is actually concentrated on his Ojuku's side at that time. He was referring it at that time because he just wants you to know that he's no longer there. That is now in South and all that. Remember, at that time, they must have, I don't think they have discovered oil in Imo State or the one in Anambra or in Abia. The gas in Enugu. I don't think they have discovered those things then. Even if they discovered it, they still want to make it look like it doesn't matter. Whereas it actually mattered a lot. Hear him exposing himself.
Who knows, he might probably go even beyond that to start reconquering the rest of the country so that he...
So, this is his plan. What the man is actually trying to tell you is that we did what he did because of oil. Nothing more. And that oil ended up claiming the life of
the president of the country. So,
people paid for that. And he's talking and scratching his eyes is to tell you that he's actually not proud. I don't think he's proud of what the genocide he's committed. He's a Christian, but don't forget, he's a Christian. And until today, I don't think the man has. He has not apologized. Can he apologize about what he did? I don't think he will do that. I don't think he has that kind of because as a military, of course, he will claim to be right. That he will claim that he's right and everything. But we know the damages that the whole thing has caused and where we are today. But Kama have his own way, of course, because as we speak, his own village is nothing to write home about. Somebody was comparing Gowon State and Anambra, where in Newe precisely, and where the Gowon come from. If you see the picture videos, you shed tears.
I decided that we should not, I should not allow Nigeria to break away. We will not allow any part to secede. Now, of course, Ojukwu wanted, if he succeeded, yes, with the oil, the major oil is in his own part of the country at that time, is in the eastern part of the country. Yes, in fact, he would be independent, he would be financially robust, and then who knows, he might probably go even beyond that.
He's trying to tell you that he may go beyond to start looking for another region to conquer, to grab, and all that. No, you are just lying. We are not known for that. Anyway, I just want to share this.
Reconquering the rest of the
country. Let me know what you think about it. Please let me know and like the video. God bless you. Take care of yourself. See you again. Bye bye for now.